Welcome friends to a complete bootcamp on Python. This is Vipin from Learning Reel. Thank you for choosing this course for your Python development journey. This is an introduction session for you. So whether you are an experienced programmer or not, this course is intended for everyone who wishes to learn the Python programming language. This is in fact a beginner to advanced level course for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Learning Reel. Here are the objectives of this introduction session. Why Python? History of the language, a brief about Python programming language. What is Python mainly used for? So why Python? The Python language is one of the most accessible programming language available because it has simplified syntax and not a complicated one, which gives us more emphasis on natural language. Due to its ease of learning and usage, Python codes can be easily written and executed much faster than any other programming languages. So if you ask me, what are those 7 important reasons why should you choose Python? I would say number 1, readable and maintainable code. Number 2, multiple programming paradigms. Number 3, compatible with major platforms and systems. Number 4, robust standard library. Number 5, many open source frameworks and tools. Number 6, simplify complex software development. And finally, number 7, adopt test-driven development. So where is Python mainly used for? Python is a general purpose programming language. Hence, you can use the programming language for developing both desktop and web applications. Also, you can use Python for developing complex scientific and numeric applications. So Python is designed with features to facilitate data analysis and visualization. All right, so if you look at it, Python is an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. An important goal of Python developers were keeping it fun to use. That's interesting, right? Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms like procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Python is often called something very interesting, batteries included language because of the comprehensive standard library. That's amazing. The Python 2 language was officially discontinued in 2020. Python 3.0 released in 2008. Developers of Python have continually made the language more versatile and powerful. So when I recorded this particular session, the latest version of Python is Python 3.x, x being the minor version, which is not completely a backward compatible one. So as I said, Python 2.0 is already been discontinued. So you may have to do a little bit of rework as the Python 3.x is not completely backward compatible. So Python is a cross-functional programming language, which means it runs on all the major operating systems. Any Python program you write should run on any modern computer that has Python installed. However, the methods for setting up Python on different operating system will vary slightly. All right, I hope this was a good amount of introduction material for you to kick off. So I would see you in the next video discussing about Python setup. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.